Hello, welcome our The Best 5 channel. Today in this video I'm going to show some of the best bench grinder which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1. DEWALT DW756 6-inch bench grinder. The DEWALT DW756 is a 6-inch bench grinder that is designed to be easy to use. The yellow and black coloring of this unit is reflective of the DEWALT brand, as is the overall construction and performance. One of the most important things to look for in a bench grinder is quite obviously the motor. The DW756 has a powerful 5/8 horsepower induction motor that offers excellent overall performance at a high RPM of 3,450, and yet there's little vibration. When you combine this with the very competitive price of this unit, the DW756 is, without a doubt, the best bench grinder for the money. One thing we like about this particular bench grinder is the ample 12.5 inches of distance between the wheels. This allows the flexibility to carry out longer, larger projects without difficulty. As you'd expect from DEWALT, the build quality is solid, with the base made of cast iron and the rests of aluminum, making it nice and durable. Since this unit is designed to be easy to use with solid performance, there aren't a vast array of features to discuss, but there are plenty of accessories that you can buy to expand your options. Features: great price, powerful motor, distance between wheels. Number 2. Jet 577,102 JBG-8A Bench-Grinder. You may be surprised when you see the steep price of the Jet 577,102, but when you'll learn that it's for industrial grade use, this makes much more sense. This 8-inch grinder makes it easy to complete a wide range of projects. One of the most important things to consider is the motor, which is 1 horsepower and provides 3,450 RPM. This is plenty of power for heavy grinding. Despite its power, it runs very smoothly and offers very little in the way of vibration, which makes work that little bit easier. This minimizes movement, but the unit can also be bolted down if needed. This is helped by the rubber feet on the unit. What's more, the level of noise is surprisingly low for a bench grinder of its power. The Jet 577,102 weighs 56 pounds, which, while not super light, is certainly not heavy for a machine of this caliber. Cast iron wheel guards and dust vents, as well as pre-lubricated and sealed ball bearings, ensure the longevity of this bench grinder. Perhaps the only real problem with this unit is that the wheels can wobble and may require adjustment. However, this is not the case with all units, and it is not a major issue. Number 3. WEN 4276 Bench Grinder. If you are looking for a more budget-friendly model of bench grinder than most of those on the market, then the WEN 4276 Bench Grinder is one of the best options out there for you. It is not as well built or as stable as some of the more premium models of bench grinder out there, but its performance is impressive for the price, and the issues with it are relatively minor. The grinding wheels have a bit of a wobble to them, which can be an issue for more precise work, but for most home use they are more than stable enough to suffice. The 3,450 RPM motor is powerful enough for efficient, simple grinding without taking too much time, and the flexible work light attached to the body ensures that you can always see exactly what you are working on with a high level of clarity in any situation. Why we like it: lightweight, flexible work light attached, 6-inch bench grinder, 3,450 revolutions per minute motor, affordable model. Number 4. Rikon Professional Power Tools Slow Speed Bench Grinder. The Rikon Professional Power Tools Slow Speed Bench Grinder is not one of the most versatile bench grinder models out there, but it is hard to beat for slow-speed applications. The motor is not massively powerful, and it doesn't offer great performance for heavy-duty industrial applications, but this bench grinder is a very good choice for slower speed uses such as knife sharpening. The slow motor and low temperature white aluminum oxide wheels keep the operating temperature to a minimum, reducing fatigue and strain on both your tools and the bench grinder itself. Why we like it: 1750 revolutions per minute motor, 8-inch bench grinder, adjustable safety shield, low temperature white aluminum oxide wheels, diamond wheel sharpener included. Our verdict: operating at a slow speed in order to keep your device and tools cool. The Rikon Professional Power Tools Bench Grinder is ideal for slower speed uses such as knife sharpening. Number 5. Sunex 5002A Bench Grinder with Light. The Sunex 5002A lists for $200 and, as the name suggests, is an 8-inch best bench grinder. There is also a 6-inch version. The main thing that sets it apart is the mounted light that makes it easier to see your work. The 5002A has a 3/4 horsepower motor that gets 3,450 RPM, same as the DW756. It is a little heavy at 36 pounds. The light is easy to adjust and move so you can get a good angle on your work. The wheel adjustments are easy to make, and despite the weight, the grinder is fairly easy to work with. Pros: adjustable work light. Durable. Cons: price is a little high. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos, and make sure enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.